In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON S620 Digital Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a compact graphic tablet designed for digital artists, featuring an impressive 4-inch diagonal screen with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity. This lightweight tablet, measuring 8.30 by 6.85 inches, utilizes a passive electromagnetic resonance technology for its battery-free stylus, ensuring uninterrupted use with no need for charging. The device is equipped with 4 customizable express keys to enhance workflow efficiency and a working area of 6.5 by 4 inches, making it portable and suitable for various tasks such as digital painting, animation design, and document annotation. The S620 is compatible with multiple operating systems including Android 6.0, Windows 7, 8, 10, and macOS 10.12 or later, and works seamlessly with popular drawing software like Adobe Photoshop and Corel Painter. The package includes extra pen nibs, a quick start guide, and an OTG adapter for connecting to Android devices, all backed by a 1-year warranty. GAOMON Technology Corporation, known for innovating animation products and digitizers, continues to expand its presence in the international market with this promising offering. Number 2. SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet. The SPASEEBA T605 graphics tablet is an advanced and versatile tool designed for artists and gamers alike, featuring a premium digital stylus with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity for exceptional precision. Its ultra-thin profile, measuring only 5 mm in thickness, ensures portability, making it easy to transport for creative work or gaming sessions. The tablet supports multiple operating systems, including Android, Windows, and macOS, without needing drivers for mobile devices. With a generous working area of 170 by 107 mm, 6 customizable express keys, and compatibility with a wide range of popular drawing software, it enhances workflow and efficiency. This tablet is particularly well suited for intricate artwork creation and gaming, providing a seamless experience with quick response times and an intuitive interface that caters to both professional artists and casual gamers, enabling them to unleash their creativity with ease and precision. Number 3. UGEE S1060W Graphics Tablet. The UGEE S1060W is a wireless graphic drawing tablet designed for versatile use across multiple operating systems, including Linux, Android, Chrome OS, and Windows. Featuring a large active drawing area of 10 inches by 6.27 inches, it offers an impressive resolution ratio of 5080 LPI and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing artists to achieve precise and nuanced strokes that replicate the natural feel of drawing on paper. The tablet comes equipped with a battery-free stylus that supports a tilt angle of 60 degrees, enabling smooth transitions between thin and thick lines. Additionally, the S1060W includes 12 customizable shortcut keys for enhanced efficiency and convenience while drawing. With a quick charge time of 2 hours and a long standby of over 10 hours, this tablet ensures uninterrupted creativity, making it an ideal choice for both professional and aspiring artists. Its compatibility with Android devices and easy plug-and-use interface further enhance its appeal as a reliable tool for digital artistry. Number 4. VEIKK 15 Pro Graphics Tablet. The VEIKK 15 Pro Graphic Tablet is a versatile digital drawing tool designed for both beginners and professional artists, featuring an expansive 10 by 6 inch active area and a sleek, lightweight design of only 9 mm thickness. With a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and advanced pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels paired with a smooth reporting rate of 290 pps, it allows for precise and natural drawing experiences. Users can customize their workflow with 12 programmable shortcut keys and a quick dial function, facilitating efficient access to frequently used tools. The tablet supports multi-system compatibility, working with various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and is compatible with leading design software. The device comes equipped with a battery-free stylus and includes essential accessories such as a pen stand, replacement nibs, and a protective case. With a 12-month warranty and customer-friendly return policies, the VEIKK 15 Pro aims to meet the needs of digital creators while ensuring a satisfying user experience. Number 5. XPPen Deco Pro Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Deco Pro S/M is a professional graphic tablet that combines cutting-edge technology with award-winning design. It features a sleek, aluminum casing measuring 10.1 inches diagonally, with a slim profile of just 7 mm and a stylish black and silver finish. This tablet boasts an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, allowing for highly detailed and precise artwork. The unique dual-wheel design enhances efficiency, enabling users to zoom and adjust brush sizes while utilizing shortcut keys, thereby streamlining the creative process. With tilt support up to 60 degrees and a battery-free stylus, artists can enjoy a natural drawing experience. The Deco Pro connects easily via USB-C, ensuring compatibility with various devices, including Windows and Mac OS systems. Recognized with several design awards, it is engineered for comfort and usability, featuring an adjustable brightness indicator light and a symmetrical interface suitable for both right and left-handed users. The package includes essential accessories and support for connecting to Android devices, making it a versatile tool for creatives seeking to elevate their work.